Yes, you read it right. George Floyd's of India. Few days back in South India, in a state called Tamil Nadu, in a district of Tuticorin or Thuthukudi, a father and his son was brutally murdered by police officers. That too in a police station when they were in custody. Do you guys know what crime they did? As it's COVID-19 lockdown period, the government has set time period for the functioning of shops. This father and son, they just opened the shop beyond 8 p.m. and some, as per the reports, say that they didn't even open the shop beyond 8 p.m. And the police of Tuticorin district arrested the 60 years old P. Jayaraj and taken into custody, and they started to interrogate by harming the old man. And when his son Phoenix went with an advocate to the police station, he saw that his aged father was being assaulted in the police station. And when he tried to go and stop them, when he tried to go and protect his aged father, the police started assaulting both of them, the father and the son. It was so brutal that even I don't know how to describe that scenario with you all. The police assaulted the father and the son physically as well as sexually. They smashed their knees with rods and their private parts were completely damaged. Seriously, their private parts were completely damaged. The police kept on changing their lungis as it was completely soaked with blood, and they demanded dark colored lungis so that the stain of blood won't be visible. When the police produced this father and son in the court, they produced a fake health certificate claiming that these two are fit, and they were sentenced to custody again and they were sentenced to jail, and after few days they both pronounced dead due to excessive bleeding and heart attack. Their body were completely smashed by the police. And do you know what the authorities did? They paid a sum as a compensation, and the police officer who were responsible for this crime was suspended and transferred from that police station. And that's it, nothing more. This is what the authorities did. No policeman was booked for murder. They just suspended few officers and few others were transferred from the police station. That's it. And Indians are so biased that they only speak about particular problem. Nobody spoke about this. No one, no celebrities except few. Or they focus only on particular thing, particular incident or particular community or particular state. There is a nice example for this. You all know that a wild pregnant elephant issue happened in Kerala, and the whole nation, the whole India was blaming the state. And when this father-son Jayaraj and Phoenix incident happened in Tamil Nadu, no one spoke except few. Nobody spoke, no celebrities. I don't know why. The incident which happened in Tamil Nadu is similar to the George Floyd incident happened in America. And these Indians who spoke about George Floyd incident happened in America, they didn't even care about Jayaraj and Phoenix incident happened in Tamil Nadu. They were totally quiet. They were totally silent. Why do you care about other countries when your own country is not perfect? Or when there is crime happening in your own country, in your own motherland? In the end, I just want to say that how many more killings, how many more sufferings, how many more lives, how many more George Floyd or Jayaraj or Phoenix, how many more? These kind of incidents still happen in different countries around the world, and nobody speak about this. Together, if we don't speak against this, these kind of incidents will still keep going on and there won't be a stop for this. Together, let's try to make this society a better place for humans as well as animals. So if you agree with what I said, do share this video. That's it. So I urge you all to be safe, be happy and be healthy. Peace.